So we have Sombr here, a new rising star, and here we are. He's like an indie singer-songwriter, and he does this song called Undressed. By the way, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. Let's go into it. And as you can see, no need for any setup here. Let's go into the chords. We're gonna start with A minor. That goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And that's it. No, I'm just kidding. Let's move on with the G chord here, and we're gonna learn third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. That's next chord. We have F as the third chord, and that's a bar chord. So place index finger on this first fret to push down all strings there. Then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. We have C. C will be third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We also got the C G. That means you're gonna add the third fret E string in the bass and keep that C still there in the same way. So third E incorporated, that will be the C G. Then we move on to the chords in the bridge. We're gonna play D minor, open D, second G, third B, first E. And speaking of E, that's the next chord. Open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, open E. We also got the E minor. And you just lift off this first G, get that string open. Everything else stays the same. That's the E minor. And then finally we have the D. And that will be open D, second G, third B, and second E. So there we have all the chords, guys, 9 I believe, and they're very simple to handle. So let's learn that. A minor is the first chord, so grab that chord, and one string around goes like this. Okay, so it's down, up, clap, up. Okay, so down, up, clap, up. One strumming around. So the verse, chorus, and the instrumental part is played in the same way. So we're going to learn that first. You're going to play A minor, 1, G1, F1, C1. That's the first half. And then the second half is very similar. It's A minor 1, G1, F1, and CG1. That's the only difference there. The CG instead of C in the ending chord. And that's the second half. So A minor, G, F, C, A minor, G, F, C, G. That is one round, okay? So you're gonna play that for the verse, chorus, and even instrumental part. Then we have in between the verse and choruses, we have the pre-chorus, and you can hear that at 48 seconds into the song. What you're gonna play here is F1, G1, A minor 1, and CG1. You're gonna play that for 4 rounds. Let's do a couple of rounds together. F, G, A minor, CG again. Couldn't stop myself like a rolling train. That was the 4 rounds played here in the pre-chorus, and then you go back and play the chorus and all that. I mentioned the bridge part, and I believe it's 2 minutes and 19 seconds in. That's where we can find that bridge, and you're gonna continue the same strumming here. You're gonna play the new chords, and that will be the D minor, and it will be 2 string rounds of that, and then E 2, A minor 1, G1, F1, and E minor 1. You're gonna play all that for 2 rounds. Let's do 1 round together. D minor, E, A minor, G, F, E minor, and again. And then you're gonna play the final part, which will be D minor 2, D2, A minor 1, G1, F1, E minor 1, and D minor 4. Let's do that together. And now back to the basics. that's how you handle Sombr Undressed. You don't have to run away from the song as I do in the music video. I think you understand if you watch it. That is simple style playing a song, very straightforward with the chords and strumming and all that good stuff. Good luck, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.